Did you get a smartphone that do you wanted?
Yes, I read a phone that was on sale at the store where we will visit.
Is it the model that has 256 gigabytes of storage?
Yes, and it also has an excellent camera.
Who helped you choose it?
The salesperson who helped me explain all the features.
That's great. What is the feature that you like the most?
The camera which takes amazing photos even at night.
Do you remember when you bought it?
Yes, let's start today when there were special discounts.
And is there a place where you can get technical support?
Yep, there is a service center where they help customers. Also, I meet the person where phone lasted more than 5 years.
It sounds like you might an excellent purchase.
Yes, it is the best phone I have ever had.